I'm sure all of you are wondering why you should vote for me and what sets me apart from all the other contestants. Hello everyone, my name is Kwee and I am thrilled to be running for president of the Students' Council. Today, I want to bring positive change to our school community, and let me tell you how. Let me start by telling a bit about myself. I'm an active individual with a passion for various activities and sports, such as swimming and badminton. Besides that, I'm an avid reader, constantly seeking knowledge and inspiration. These experiences have taught me the importance of teamwork, discipline, and dedication, qualities that I believe will make me an effective leader for the Student Council. Well, I'm not only responsible and hardworking, but also known for being friendly, loyal, and kind. As the leader of the school's book club and the class monitor, I have already demonstrated my ability to lead and collaborate with others effectively. Moreover, my extensive 5-year involvement in the Student Council has given me invaluable experience in understanding the school's dynamics and issues that students face. This experience makes me well equipped to take on the role of Student Council President and make informed decisions that benefit our entire school community. One of my strengths lies in creativity. As a Student Council member, I have been actively involved in organizing fun activities and events that bring joy and excitement to our school environment, like pizza parties, scavenger hunts, sack races, and talent shows. With your support, I intend to continue this tradition and create even more engaging experiences for all students. I have the ability to recommend ways to improve our school. This involves things like making the toilets nicer, upgrading the canteen food, and even getting more classrooms, so we're not all packed into one. These ideas could really enhance our school experience and make it more enjoyable for everyone. However, what truly sets me apart is my genuine desire to help our school community flourish. If you have any ideas or suggestions to improve our school, please know that I am always open to listening and working together to make them happen. Your voices matter, and together we can make a significant impact on our school's development. In conclusion, I humbly ask for your vote as the Student Council President. I promise to be a dedicated and approachable leader who listens, takes actions, and strives for the betterment of our school. Remember, your vote matters, and together we can create a positive and thriving environment for everyone. Thank you for your support. Let's make our school the best it can be. I'm Jane, and I would be honored to have your vote. Thank you.